The G35 definitely seen better days. Definitely better days. Here's the old rack. We're gonna get that replaced. Well, boys, we're actually on our way to pick up the G35. The car is done. We're a new starter, everything. So let's go ahead and head over there to Auto Express before it turns dark. Let's go. Here's the G. We got the G35 back. Let's turn it on. We got a brand new starter on it as well. Okay. Apparently went out, but you know, we'll trust our boys.
Welcome back to the channel, fam. In today's episode in the Karma Garage, we actually got the G35 back. It's right here. It's a mess, it's ugly, I know. But the good news is we got the fender. We got the replacement fender yesterday. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead and open the hood, which if you guys can see, it doesn't have a single scratch, dent, or anything on that hood. That's amazing. My mechanics were going crazy about it too. It was like, I got so lucky. But besides that, we're gonna go ahead in today's episode and remove the fender, remove the front bumper, remove the headlight, and put in our new fender right there that we have. So let's go ahead and get to it. Pretty much this side again, it's pretty much loose. There's two 10 millimeters to connect the fender to the bumper. This whole plastic support core snapped in a few places. Still holding pretty good. It shouldn't be a big issue. What we're gonna do now is grab a Phillips screwdriver and take these screws out of the fender liner. Pop the inner side out right here. It has a couple clips, and pop the two clips that it has right here, and it's two 10 millimeters. Now we're gonna remove these two 12 millimeters right here from the support and all the 10 millimeters that hold the fender down. We're just missing the last bolt that's behind here. The last bolt we need to remove is right here, and it's a 10 millimeter. You want to use just a regular wrench. It's pretty simple, honestly. It's a super easy process. It just takes a little bit of time. As you guys can see, the fender's fully out. So that was the main concern. Since this is good, we can just slap the other fender on. This piece right here as well. There's one now. Connector that we got from the junkyard. Cut and splice this into the G35. We're gonna remove the last fit LED light bulbs that we have in the headlight that got destroyed and put in our other headlights.
We have the fender back on the G35. It looks brand new. It looks like nothing happened. Nothing ever happened. What accident? What? Man, we're good. What you talking about? Well fam, as you guys can hear, the G35 is running perfectly. Fender, everything is on. It looks great. Well boys, that's the end of today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it, you guys liked it. I'm so grateful that we got the G35 running pretty much. Everything's back, you know, it costs a lot of money. This is the actual invoice. All with everything, discounts and everything. It was $18.85 and 48 cents. Hope you guys liked this episode. If you did, hit that like button down below, comment. We got a lot of things coming for the G35. Remember to stay tuned to find out what happens to the G35 on the next episode of the Comic Garage. Peace.